In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI avatars with Google Gemini VO. This exciting tool allows you to bring your creativity to life by generating stunning AI avatars in just a few minutes. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to prepare your avatar concept. Spend a moment visualizing or jotting down what you want your avatar to look like. Think about elements like style, colors, and any specific features you want to include. This will guide you as you move forward and keep your creation focused and personalized. Once you have a clear concept in mind, it's time to open Google Gemini. This can typically be accessed from your desktop or mobile device. If you're new to Google Gemini, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its interface, as it will make the process easier and more enjoyable. Next, begin by starting a new chat or prompt. This is the space where you'll interact directly with the AI or enter the parameters needed to create your avatar. You'll see an option to start fresh, ensuring your creative process is unencumbered by previous entries or prompts. Now, navigate to the Tools menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options to enhance your experience. Select the Create Videos with VO feature, which is specifically designed to generate avatars and other visual content. Don't worry if this seems a little technical at first. Each step is highly intuitive and designed to help guide you through the process seamlessly. With the tool open, you're ready to input your prompt. This is where the magic happens. Use clear and descriptive language to explain your avatar vision. Include any specific details from your initial concept preparation, such as what your avatar should resemble or convey. Remember, the more detail you provide, the more accurate and satisfying the result will be. After entering your prompt, you can submit it for generation. There's a brief wait as Google Gemini VO processes your request and creates a unique avatar based on the information you provided. Be patient during this step. Good things come to those who wait, and the end result will be worth it. Once the generation process is complete, you'll have the chance to review your AI avatar. Take a close look and ensure it meets your expectations. If you're happy with what you see, go ahead and download your new avatar. Make sure you save it somewhere secure so you can access it easily whenever you need. And there you have it, a stunning AI avatar brought to life through the power of Google Gemini VO. You're now equipped with the skills to recreate this process whenever inspiration strikes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy crafting countless avatars that perfectly capture your creative vision.